Here's a few reasons why I had to get a new dispenser pump. It's because of the discoloration. It actually is turning green around the edges whenever I get a pump. That kept falling off. And also, when I pumped, nothing was coming out. So in this situation, the internals might have got worn out or a broken hose. So those are a few reasons why I had to get a new pump. Okay, here's a closer look at the dispenser pump. If you have to, you can trim the hose if it's too long with a pair of scissors. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.